Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am consultant in Roberts Hospital. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Review Country from Good
afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Peter Daniel from Koit Joy.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Command Bhalam Congress, Team Lead MHSP and Manjuri Operations in charge.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Stephen and I'm the State Manager for NHIS and ABA.
Community participation, so I would want this task force that to go to that also. So to create awareness. You can go with a theme every month, but then I need you to be involved in it. So government, of course, will do its part.
So if we have a similar meeting like this, ultimately it end out in this meeting only without any.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. L. Bohman, Additional Director of Civil Hospitals Law.
Everyone, I am Dr. Ïathir, Additional DHS, Directorate of Medical Education and Research.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Dr. Saramati A. Santam. I am representing Holy Cross Hospital, Durham.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is representing Durham Hospital.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Dr. Benjamin, representing Khiah Hospital.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Ïing, representing Bethany Hospitals.
Which is a very common cancer in Meghalaya. All patients come when they are not able to swallow any foods anymore.
So you have to you tell me specifically what these are. I mean, in fact, I'm mentioning to all of you. These are small things these are exactly the things which I want to hear. Exactly. Because of course our doctors and all, we are doing, because we're doing so many things. And sometimes we miss out just basic things also, because obviously we are, our table is full. And these kind of
Doctors have been trained on this particular thing. But when we took a review, almost in 7 districts, they're actually not using it. This is again a problem for us. Actually, again, this is where DHSMI, we have asked her to actually give up.
So we are looking for that. So that is going to come up. That's going to be the biggest center in the entire, I think, northeast region as of now. So that also is happening. But apart from that, as I said, we will be keen to work with private parties to put up other centers for other paramedical services also. Health is one of the most important pillars for us as a government. And it should be for every government, for every individual, for every family, for every society. And realizing the importance that we need to give to health, Dr. Sampath has shared with you that we have been, I should say, opening up the envelope for the health sector like never before. Meghalaya spends the highest in terms of percentage of the budget compared to any other state in the country on health. So it's not just a speech that I'm giving, but even in action, we are proving that health is one of the most important verticals for us, the most important pillar for us, one of the most important sectors for us. So 8% plus of our budget, which is the highest in the country, today is spent on health. Multiple reforms have been done when it comes to the health sector. Number of investments have been made. Different aspects of administration, different aspects of equipments, machinery, drugs, medicines being available, so on and so forth in almost every sector. When you look at the health sector, we have ensured that we are able to move forward. But large amount of funds today has been pumped in to improve the overall infrastructure in different PHCs, CHCs, sub-centers, civil hospitals and different district hospitals. We have a long way to go, but I can tell you that we are in the right direction. Mr. Sampath spoke to you about use of technology. Today, at a click of a button, we are able to transfer the benefits to all the ASHA workers without any delay. Transfers which used to take sometimes years. I'm not saying a year, I'm saying years. In 2018, the ASHA benefits from 2014, 15, 16, 17, 4 years ASHA benefits were due, amounting to close to 100 crores. It could not be released to the ASHAs because the paperwork was so complicated. I should say messed up in one way, that there were so many papers coming in and so many things need to be reviewed. We changed the whole thing. Today, everything is online. I've shown it in many of my programs to many of our health professionals on how we are transforming this. So today, ASHA's benefits are given in within a matter of a week. And in spite of all doctors or officials being anywhere in any part of the world, the file does not stop. At a click of a button from their mobile phone or from their iPad, any handheld device, they can clear the file and the benefit reaches within a week's time to the different ASHA workers. And in case there's a delay, we even know who's the person responsible for the delay. And we're able to immediately take action and move the files. And with our senior officials for the need of stakeholders working together for the larger interest of the society and finding ways in which we can collaborate, partner and share responsibility. And it is with that thought and that mindset that we are calling this Health Summit. We're not saying that we'll be able to resolve everything, nor are we saying that after the summit everything will be perfect. It's a very complex structure, very complex issues, and obviously there are self-interests that are there, institutional interests that are there. We shouldn't deny that. And yet in this kind of a competitive system also, how can we work collaboratively, as I said, on certain issues and certain factors and then move forward in this partnership. So it's really the beginning, I should say, of a long journey which I hope will be productive and we'll be able to hear from everybody. The idea was not to have a conference as such, but the idea was to really have a very open discussion. And while this time we have not really specifically mentioned about a specific issue, and the reason is because it's the first time we're doing it. We leave it open to all of you to share your concerns and ideas on how this could come up. You could even suggest things like putting up a task force, and a team that collaborates this entire thing. This health summit need not be government run. It could be all stakeholders come together. There could be representatives from different bodies. Then they take responsibility of hosting this this health summit once in 6 months. More importantly, deliberating issues, even not at this level maybe of Chief Minister and Health Minister being there, but make visits district-wise. There could be subcommittees that go to different districts, pick up certain issues in some districts. So it's very flexible, really, very flexible. I really don't have any specific agenda when it comes to this. We will bring out the agenda as we move forward. We will discuss it, we'll keep it open-ended. As I said, the idea is to really make things better.
Can we show our appreciation about the Welcome, sir. We are also delighted to welcome the Honourable Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Welcome, Madam. We also welcome the Principal Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department. I request you to please move to the front of the dais. Matilda Reem, Wandarika Tham, Mandalisa Shalla, Dr. Nishahun Walam, Ayush Medical Officer, Ayurvedic Department. Dr. Nivan Jones L. Marshalong, Ayush Medical Officer, Ayurvedic Department. Dr. Banlum Shisha Lindo, Ayush Medical Officer, Homeopathy Department. Dr. Alisha Shilla, Ayush Medical Officer, Ayurvedic Department. Dr. Ferdinand Marbanyam, Ayush Medical Officer, Homeopathy Department. Dr. Toslima Lagbang, Ayush Medical Officer, Ayurvedic Department. Dr. Rigafi Grace Lindo, Ayush Medical Officer, Ayurvedic Department. Can we show our appreciation with a round of applause, please? These are the ANMs appointed under the DHS-MI. Merisha Rintathyang, Symptom Subcenter, PHC. Aitilang Kharkran, Pranay Subcenter, CHC. Gracious Kharsati, Panthor Bhoy Lhasa Subcenter, Bhoirumbong, CHC. Opsalina D. Shira, Sam Khalakagre Subcenter under Bajendoba, PHC. Solutions combining public sector's extensive reach with the private sector's efficiency and innovation to enhance. This Meghalaya Health Summit 2025 will serve as a strategic impediments in the efficient and seamless delivery of health.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Khiah Bhalam Congress, Team Lead MHSP and Manjuri of Patients in Charge.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Stephen and I'm the State Manager for NHIS and ABP.
IAS to kindly extend the welcome address.